Well, hey friends, welcome to Do Things Make Stuff, and today I got something a little different for you. Normally, some of my videos that have been on this channel, they're a combination of different things. Everything from maybe doing some home projects to reviews and a few building projects. And today I want to clue my YouTube subscribers in to something that's going on. I've been doing a giveaway on Instagram, and it is going to be a community-built project. And it's going to be a charcuterie board. And what I've done so far is I've posted these two different boards. These are cutoffs that I've had. And had the users vote on which one that they wanted to start the project on. This one is a piece of silver maple. As you can see, I Sharpied it on there so I don't forget sometimes. This is a piece of silver maple. It is a beautiful piece. It is very clean. And it has a few, some really cool figure in it. This is a piece of Carolina cherry. It does have some holes and some different voids that need to get filled with epoxy. So what I did is I put up there and said basically, hey, which one do you want to do? And then users voted and said, okay, we're gonna go with the Carolina cherry. So this one's out of the race, but the Carolina cherry is up for grabs. And here's how you could be a part of it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Do Things Make Stuff. And then in the post for the giveaway, you can tag two different people. By tagging those two people, that'll get you in the running for this. Once the project's completed, we'll do a drawing and see who the winner is. And it's going to be this board finished and sent to your house. So if you'd love to be a part of this, if you'd love to give feedback, if you want to win this board when it's completed, follow us on Instagram at Do Things Make Stuff. So we're going with this board. It's going to be probably some sort of organic shape, but the shape is really going to be up to the users who are going to vote. Handle, not a handle, epoxy, and how that's all going to work out. So the voting has begun. If you want to jump into that project, if you're seeing this after the giveaway, sorry, hopefully you'll be catching them along the way. The plan is after this video is to shoot a video of me completing the whole project. That'll be a how to do a charcuterie board. Now, both of these woods, and actually all the wood that I use, all the stuff behind me, is urban reclaimed lumber. And what that means is there's a company near me called West Coast Arborists, and they have they do all the tree trimming in Southern California. When they find a log or a piece of wood or a tree that's being cut down that is salvageable, that is a good tree, what they do is they take it, they mill it up, and they put it in a kiln to to dry all the wood out and to stabilize it. And then it gets sold to a company called Charcuterie Revival. There's one of them in Anaheim and Stockton. They've got a location also in Ontario. So the wood all comes from these guys at Charcuterie Revival. I'm going to do a video if you're interested soon. I'm going to go over there and interview them, talk about their process, where the wood comes from, all the different species of wood, and then how to choose a good piece. I want you to meet Big John. He's become a good friend of mine, and Lou over there. So would love for you guys to check this place out and subscribe to this YouTube channel, but also on Instagram, and tag two people in this post. So we're going to do a giveaway. You can tag multiple people for every two people or for every comment. I'll add you in. So if you tag 6 people, I'll add you in 3 different times. So it's going to be a fun one, and then we've got more videos coming out on the way. The whole idea behind this was twofold. One, during this COVID-19 stuff, people are at home a little bored and also a little strapped for cash. So we thought, let's give something away. And also, we just thought it would be really fun to have a project that was community built. So everyone got to kind of vote on it. Whatever the most amount of votes got or the best input, we would head in that direction. So this piece of Carolina cherry has some real cool figure in it. A lot of different tones. It's got a little bit of red. And so far the voting is pointing towards some gold epoxy, which I think will look really, really good in this piece of wood. So again, subscribe to us on the YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram at Do Things Make Stuff. And also like and then comment 2 people, tag 2 people in the post, and you will get put in this drawing. This will get shipped to your house for free if you're in the continental United States. We would love to get this to you. So Do Things Make Stuff. If you have any suggestions for this board, even if it's not on Instagram, we'd love to hear. And thanks for checking out and joining kind of this thing. If you would like more videos and more content, you can check below there for some other suggested videos, but also I'm going to tag my Instagram account as well as Charcuterie Revival down below if you're interested in seeing some of their stuff and where their wood comes from. Some really cool people over there. I'm excited to be working with them all the time. This is not a sponsored post. I just think they're awesome, and I think the things that they're doing are great, and I love all of the different wood species. And you probably clicked off of this by now, but what's cool about Southern California is there's a ton of different wood species that grow here because of our climate. So things like silver maple, Carolina cherry, Chinese elm, Tasmanian blackwood, all these really unique woods and trees that come from all over the world. When immigrants have moved here and they bring some things with them and they plant their native species from their home, well, they grow really well here in Southern California. So we have an opportunity to have some really cool pieces of wood, and I've got lots all over this garage that I've been kind of holding up and excited to start getting a bunch of projects moving forward on. So see you guys soon.